Hey guys, so thank you guys for rolling with some tech stuff in day one during our class and continuing to try to get as much done as you can. I know sometimes some of the stuff is hard. So just to start us off for day two, I just wanted to highlight a few things that were super awesome from day one. So this is one of the entries that somebody had. I really loved this entry. She kind of gave an intro up at the top, and then she was describing like a day at the grocery store, and it was really amazing, really well written. Here is another one. This person was talking about missing her basketball season, which is really tough, and missing internship. And so I know that's something that like a lot of people have been feeling. Again, just like the first person, both of them, it was obvious they had like seen those other primary sources and they were modeling off of it. Both of them had like the titles with the dates, that kind of stuff. And then here's one more, and hers was called Struggles of Quarantine. And this was really well written as well. Here is someone did a video, which was super cool. And he was kind of showing some of the stuff that he did. And then he also had a written explanation of the video in his assignment. So that was super awesome to see. Overall, guys, based on Edulastic, we're pretty much figuring out how everything works. So as you guys can see, 95%, 98%, and 93% from our three classes. So really pretty similar. In all three classes. We had a few less responses in our period one class, so I hope we can get that fixed up if you're in period one. AP, almost everybody submitted, and then period four, we actually had a few less responses too. So make sure you're getting those done. I didn't see any trends, so I think we basically understand what we need to do for eSchool. So for day two, guys, we're going to actually get into some content. We're going to go back to the Try 2 final. We're going to review a little bit of two concepts, which are xenophobia, which is that fear of immigrants, and then also the idea of Bolshevism or communism, the idea of the Red Scare. And we're going to actually apply that to some of the crazy stuff that you guys are talking about that's going on during this time period. So that's what we're doing today. If some of this stuff, like when you're applying to what's going on today, if it feels a little bit scary or it's making you feel a little bit anxious, please don't let it make you feel that way. But if you are feeling that way and you continue to feel that way through some of these assignments, please let us know, because I will be getting with the teacher who's designing some of this stuff, and I'll let him know like, hey, you need to like back off on the stuff that has to do with COVID, because it's freaking people out. But hopefully it shouldn't be. Hopefully this will be giving you guys like a bigger historical sense of how xenophobia has affected people like throughout US history. Okay, see you guys in the next video.